Good day to all. I'm Dr. Jitha Nair. I'm an assistant professor at Albertian Institute of Management. Today, we'll be discussing about the application areas of analytics, business analytics. Today, I'll be specifically talking about how analytics can improve the financial aspect of the business. So, I'll be talking about financial analytics today. Finance, we know that it is the lifeblood of the business, and controlling the financial aspect is very much essential for the success of any business. So, financial analytics will help the firm to understand where exactly is the expenditure and the income lies, and they can plan their strategies according to their budgeting. So, what are the objectives of financial analytics? Let's just quickly look into the objectives of financial analytics. The first objective is to increase the sales and revenue while decreasing the capital investment and operating cost and improving business processes. The second objective is to support the financial planning, budgeting, and forecasting. Third objective is to create the financial and managerial reports, financial budgets, and forecast, and can be created with the financial analytic process. Fourth objective is to support the profitability management, production and service controlling, overhead cost, controlling payment behavior, analysis, and investment and risk management. Fifth objective is to include features for analyzing product and services cost and for legal and managerial consolidation. So for all these objectives will help the firm to create a much more strategic oriented business. So what are the uses of financial analytics? Over a period of time, the traditional accounting was only looking into the traditional aspects of finance, like profit and loss account statement or trial balance, something like that. But now business are looking into each and every key result areas, and how can you better those key result areas through analytics. So financial analytics will help the firm to identify those critical key result areas and help them to achieve their strategic advantage. So what are the uses of financial analytics? Financial analytics is used to understand the performance of the organization, especially, for example, the client analysis. You can understand which client is giving you maximum sales, and you can create a marketing strategy according to the client payment analysis, and which client is least paying. So you can use a marketing strategy to include more business with new marketing strategies for those clients which are least contributing. To measure and manage the value of tangible and intangible assets of the organization. In traditional accounting, you are only looking into the profit and loss account statement, ledgers, journal entries, etc. But through financial analytics, you can also go a step beyond and look into the tangible and intangible assets of the organization. Another use is to manage the investment of the company. So you can get a better idea about the investment portfolio of the company. To forecast variations in the market. So this analytics will help you to predict what is going to happen next. Next use is to increase the functionalities of the information system. So with the help of these kind of analytics, you get a robust amount of data, and that data can be used for the firm's strategic advantage. Another use is to improve the business process and profit. So you can eliminate the bottlenecks inside the business process through this analytics by understanding where exactly your money is going. So what are the reasons why companies go for financial analytics? We have different business models. You have business to business business model, business to consumer. Likewise, so many business models are there. So in each of these business models, you have a different setup, you have a different business process. So to understand that, you need a better analytics package. Then the second reason is changing the role of finance department. In traditional financial department, they are only into profit and loss account statements or journal entries or ledger entries. But now it is not the case. You are looking into the key result areas. try to understand what are those key result areas and how it is contributing to your business. Then third reason is changing business process. The business process altogether has changed a lot with the advent of IT and information technology or artificial intelligence. A lot of changes has happened inside the business process. It's not only paper and pen, more of an electronic media or electronic communication is there. Integrated analytics. In the integrated analytics, you get your ideas from different perspective, and you get to know where exactly your money is going. Then the role of data warehouses. In every business units, they create data enormously. They create data every second. So with the help of that big data, you can actually move a step further to understand the pulse of your organization. So why this financial analytics important? It provides forward-looking strategic insights. It can analyze a large amount of data at that particular point of time itself. It can combine internal and external data to generate insight. So in financial analytics, you are not looking into the company's data alone. It is collecting data from the external environment also. It can present data and results visually. So with one glance or with one look into the graphs or reports that the financial analytics generates, you can understand what exactly is happening in the organization and around you. To become a data-driven organization with less risk. So with data-based decisions, you are minimizing the risk associated with the decisions that you're taking inside the organization. It boosts financial functions value as a partner. You give the deeper insights about the financial status of the business, and it helps to make smarter decisions. With the help of data-driven decisions, your decision making becomes much more smarter. So with that, let me conclude that financial analytics has gained prominence in the business world. Thank you so much.